Keertana and I'm in ninth grade. When I first found out about this course, it was from a family friend of mine who had been going to this course. And my mom was very impressed by the way he improved, and not by his presentation, and not only him, a few other kids as well. And she was very determined to send my sister and I to this course. When I first found out that I was gonna come, I honestly I wasn't interested at all. I knew it would be helpful, but I didn't expect it to be fun, and I thought it would just be boring and I'd waste 3 precious days of my summer. But after I started this session, after I started coming, as time went by, I found it very interesting and it was very fun. We did like really fun activities, and I was honestly very interested because I found it very fascinating the way we were able to find ways to remember things in such an easy manner and not put too much force on our mind or too much work on our mind. And it was very helpful, and I'm very grateful that my mom sent us here, because I know that for sure it's going to help me in the future with anything. And I would happily recommend this to anyone out there who finds it interesting, because it's a very helpful course and you will enjoy it because it's very fun.